Peace and blessings, family. This is your girl Elkie, the owner of Styles by Elkie, and I'm here because I'm so excited to introduce the Divine Love Lock course, family. This course is my baby. I spent a lot of time creating this course for you guys because I wanted something that would really help take your craft to the next level. I developed this technique because I was seeing that a lot of clients really wanted that Lisa Bonet look. They really wanted that bohemian style, and I just wanted to do something a little different, and I created Divine Love Locks, and now I'm sharing it with you guys. So you're going to be learning everything from the tools I use to create the locks, the hair I use, what technique I use to make the locks. You'll be learning how to make them pre-made. You would literally learn everything I know and how I created these amazing bohemian Lisa Bonet inspired locks. I'm so happy to show them to you guys. These locks are lightweight, they're tension free, they're flowy, they're no stiffness, non-stiffness. Okay, family, so I'm so happy to share this with you guys, and I look forward to having you guys in my course. So stay tuned and let's go, family. Thank you. See you soon.